Okay everybody, so what we have here today is this master lock, and I've got the key here for it. Slip it in here, show you that it works. Very easy. Okay, I'm done with the key now. Gonna go ahead and close this back up. Now I want to show you, this is a master lock number 3. This is probably the most common master lock that people have, probably the most common one that's on the market. The number 3, it is super cheap and you should never buy one. I'll show you why. What I've got here is a paperclip that I have fashioned basically into a tension bar, and another paperclip that I've basically fashioned into a little rake with a very tiny hook on the end of it. And the funny thing is you can actually use the inside of the lock to do all the bending you need for this. So first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is slip the tension bar in the bottom of the lock here. Now what a tension bar does is it puts tension on the lock as if you're opening it with the key. It goes this direction here. Put a little bit of tension on it. And that can kind of float a little bit, you know, until you get it in the right position and your hand's comfortable like that. It has to go that direction, just like you're unlocking the key, unlocking the lock with the key rather. The rake is this is the part that actually slides in the top, right above the tension bar. Let me get that reset a little bit there for me, so I can get just the right angle on that. The rake, if I could quit dropping it, slides right in the top here, and basically you're just raking the pins, which means you're putting the rake in, that little hook piece in there, and instead of actually picking the lock and going pin by pin, you're kind of just slipping it in and pulling it back out slowly. So as you keep the tension on the lock, you're kind of popping those pins in place. It's a little bit quicker method than actual picking, but it just goes to show how cheap these number 3 master locks are. And as you can see right there, the lock has already started to turn. Still locked, but if I just give it a little bit more tension here and mess with it just a little bit more, it should go ahead. There it did. It just went ahead and popped, just like that. So that's it. Just kind of a warning showing you that these number 3 master locks are way too cheap to be used to secure any of your valuables. And you know, that's it. Again, let you see that, number 3. But I'm going to show you something else here real quick. Okay, same lock, same demonstration here. Use the key, unlock it, throw the key out of the way, lock the hasp. I'm going to show you how quick this is if you happen to possess the proper tools. So, again, there's the tension bar. Go ahead and slip that in the top. Got the rake, slide it in. And with the proper tools, just that quick, that's how fast you can unlock a cheap number 3 master lock. Never buy one of these things. Thanks for watching. The video's over. You can go now if you want. Hey, but before you go, why don't you think about giving me a thumbs up like or maybe even subscribing to my channel? I'd certainly appreciate it.